If you accidentally deleted a bookmark in Opera, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you how to restore deleted bookmarks on Opera browser in just a few easy steps. This is a super useful trick if you removed an important site by mistake and want to bring it back quickly without having to search for it again. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple browser tips and computer guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Opera on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the bookmark icon. Now right-click on the bookmark icon and select Bookmarks from the menu. This will open the Bookmark Manager where you can view and manage all of your saved bookmarks. On the left panel, look for the trash icon. Click on the trash icon to open your deleted bookmarks. This is where Opera stores bookmarks that were removed recently, so you still have a chance to restore them. Now hover over the bookmark you want to recover. When the option appears, select Undo Delete. As soon as you do that, the bookmark will be restored back to your bookmarks list. It's that simple. If you deleted more than one bookmark, you can repeat the same process for each one you want to bring back. Just remember, the trash area is the key place to check anytime you need to recover something you removed by accident. And that's how you restore deleted bookmarks on Opera browser. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.